Hi sis, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ijoma Florence. You're highly welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to learn how to make a bone straight wig using braid extension, aka attachments. That's what we are going to use for this tutorial. So if you're new here, you're highly welcome to the family. For my old subscribers, I heart you guys so much. Thank you for the love and support you guys has been giving me on this channel. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you so much. Like I'm saying, thank you for your love, for your support. Okay, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, sis, what I still waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, support your girl, become part of the family. Like, comment, share the video with friends and family, and do well to turn on your notification button, okay, so that you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video. So sis, without wasting much time, let's get into the video. Yeah guys, the extension braid that we'll be using for this tutorial is by Star color 1, the 2-in-1 Star in color 1. So as you can see from the video, I'll cut into 2 equal parts. I'm cutting it using my scissors into 2, and after cutting I will stretch it because I wouldn't want to have that blunt edges. So what I'm trying to do now is to stretch it out. After that I will now comb it. Okay, like I'm saying guys, after stretching it out you have to comb it, but before combing make sure that you apply some oil. Either you use this kind of oil I use here, or if you have a petroleum jelly, because that will actually help the hair not to tangle or to shed. Okay, so you have to apply oil on it before combing. That's what I'm doing, and this is how it should look after combing. Yes sis, if you really want to know how I made this front side, watch the video on this channel on how to make a lace crochet. Okay, oh yes sis, grab your hair extension, that's the attachment. Grab your hook, okay, that's a crochet needle. Let's do the work together. All you have to do is to pick a little quantity of the hair extension, then you make use of your crochet hook, pass through the net, that's your wig cap, then just watch it as I'm doing it now. You pass your hair through the wig cap using your crochet pin, then you make a loop. From that loop you now pour the hair. Okay, that's how you continue doing it. It's just a normal way of crocheting. If you know how to crochet, that's just a normal way of crocheting. And for me, I want to fill the middle part first, after which I will now move to the right hand side, after the right hand side to the left, before I will now come up to the upper side. That's the system I want to use. Okay,
look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show. Glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what you're.
yes sis, as you can see I'm done with the middle side. I'll be moving to the right hand side, and when I'm done with the right hand side, I'll go to the left hand side. Keep on watching.
Sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will remain as promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love.
Yes, sis, as you can see, I'm still working on the right hand side, but very soon now we'll be moving over to the left hand side. Okay, very soon now we'll be moving to the left hand side. We're almost done with this right hand side, as you can see. Like I've said, I'm doing it step by step. Now this is your left hand side, and please sis, permit me, I'm gonna do it off camera. I'll be right back. Yes sis, have you hit the red button? Subscribe to my channel, become part of the family, okay? Support your girl. Now as you can see from the video, I'm done with the left hand side off camera. Now I'm working on the upper side. Like I've said before, I'm taking my time to make this bone straight wig. I started from the middle side, then down to the right hand side, to the left hand side, now to the upper side, and before you know it, sis, we are done. Okay, we are making a progress. Can't you see that we are moving? So keep on watching. The video is self-explanatory. It's just normal way of crocheting. Okay, it's not hard, it's something you can do. It doesn't take much time. Keep on enjoying the video. Okay.
Look around us now, see the love on each face. Out there in the world, hard to find. All these faithful friends with the love they all show, glad to leave that old world behind. Love never fails, that's promised. It always will endure. Love, unfailing love, that's what Jehovah gives. That's what He is. Love, unfailing love, that's what we need to live. And the love here today, in our heart may it stay. Unfailing love. Though sometimes it seems like the cares of this life weigh us down and feel hard to bear. Giving brings us joy when we share faith and hope, comforted by God's loving care. Love will
Yes sis, as you can see, we are almost done with the upper side. We are done, we're almost done. Okay, Have you subscribed to my channel? Consider subscribing. Keep on watching. Yeah. Finally, we are done with the crocheting, okay? We are moving to the next step, which is what? Making use of our hot water, okay? Look at it. It looks so silky. Look at it. Very soft. So let me prepare the hot water. I'll be right back. Yeah, sis, our hot water is ready to work with. So the next thing we're gonna add is our hair conditioner. Make use of any hair conditioner you have. For this video, I'm using my TCB leave-in treatment. It's a very nice product because it contains shea butter and coconut oil, okay? So after which you now put the hair inside the hot water. Allow it to sit for 1 minute. Like this one, I timed it. It sits inside hot water for 1 minute. After that, I now remove it from the hot water and comb it. And after combing, I dried it. Okay, so it will sit for 1 minute. After which I'll comb and dry. That's it. Okay. So sis, this is exactly how the hair should look like after drying it, okay? Like this one, I dried it under the sun. Yes, I dried under the sun. And now I'm using my comb, my Weavon comb to detangle or to comb it. I'm combing from front down to the tip, from front down to the tip in order to detangle it. I'm so sorry that this clip is not that clear. Pardon me, but nothing much is going on here, just normal combing, okay? Yes, sis, after combing the hair with my hair comb, I went ahead to use my straightener to straighten the hair, especially the very front, so that it will look like a good hair, okay? That is, a synthetic hair doesn't mean that I should make it to look like one. At least I have to apply some verbs so that it will look like ribbon straight hair, that kind of thing, So I'm using my straightener now to straighten it, stretch it a little bit so that it will look silky and soft as well, okay? Please, while doing it, use a medium heat so that you will not burn it, okay? That's what I'm doing. It's funny, right? So honey pie, after making use of my flat iron, I went ahead to create a pattern, one side pattern, okay? And right now I'm using my scissors to cut off the Swiss lace in the front, okay? After cutting the Swiss lace, now our wig is ready. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so excited for the outcome. It just came out through all the way. I'm loving this wig, okay? I hope you're gonna try it. Leave your comment on the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you, okay sis? I'm happy. Wow, so amazing. Who can ever believe that this is a braid extension attachment? Oh my god, look at the way it looks. Sis, if you feel the texture is very soft, it's very silky. I don't know why it turned out to be that way. Very soft. Our 30 inches bone straight wig. Oh my god, look at it. It looks so beautiful, okay? Sis, are you going to try it? If you are going to try it, let me know in the comment section. And do well to hit the red button. Support the girl, support your babe, support your girl, okay? Become part of the family. Like my video, subscribe to my channel, share my video with friends and loved ones around you, okay? If there is any hairstyle you want me to recreate for you, do not hesitate to let me know on the comment section. I love you guys so much from the bottom of my heart. Until my next video, please do well to stay safe. Bye bye.